Once you've saved your invoices, you can manage them all in one place by navigating to the All Invoices page. This is your central dashboard for every bill you've generated. Option 1. Filtering by date. If you have a long list of transactions, you can easily find what you're looking for using the date filters. Simply select your From Date and To Date to filter and view invoices from a specific week, month, or any particular period you need. Option 2. View and Edit options. For every invoice in the list, you have several quick actions. View. Click the View icon to see the full details of the invoice, including the items, taxes, and customer info. Edit. If you need to make a correction, like changing a quantity or adding a discount, click the Edit button to update the invoice details instantly. Option 3. Downloading in multiple formats. When it comes to printing or record keeping, we offer flexibility. You can download your invoice in 3 different formats. A classic layout for a simple look, a modern layout for a professional feel, a GST compliant format that includes all the necessary tax breakdowns. Option 4. Sharing via WhatsApp. Finally, there's no need to manually email or print every bill. You can share the invoice directly to your customer's WhatsApp. Just click the share icon and it will open WhatsApp with a direct link, allowing your customer to view and download their invoice on their phone immediately. This page ensures that all your billing history is organized, searchable, and easy to share with just a few clicks.